Okay, I realize that you've never done a timesheet before, and Banner 9 can be a little intimidating and somewhat wonky. And so I'm going to walk you through the steps of doing a timesheet. Here we go. You ready? First, you want to navigate to Banner 9. So you want to go to suno.edu, and when you get to suno.edu, typing that into the bar, you will then go to the employees section and find Banner 9. And when you get to Banner 9, you'll want to click on that. Then you'll want to click on employees. When you finally get into Banner 9, click on employees. That'll take you to the next place. That'll take you to this page, the self-service dashboard, where you're going to want to click on the employee dashboard. That's where the pay timesheets are, the timesheets are. So click on that. And now something really weird happened to me, and I don't know if it's going to happen to you, but if it does, don't worry. Banner 9 is just wonky. It's just weird. But it's the Southern system that does the payroll, so it's not the SUNO email. It's the @sus.edu email that you need to use, because this is a Southern University system issue, not a SUNO issue. So you're going to want to click on your sus.edu email. So you see I have done that here. And then it said invalid username and password, although I typed in my valid username and password. So I just clicked OK. This is one of the weird things. And then it says you successfully logged out. I wasn't trying to log out, so I clicked return home. And then it brought me to this again. So I clicked on kevinbrown.03.sus@sus.edu, etc., my SUS email. And it takes me here. I don't know how this happens. It's weird. So you want to click on this blue bar to the right here so that you can enter your timesheets and enter your time. And when you get to the next page, you'll see a series of timesheets. Now, all mine, unfortunately, have been completed, so I can't show you an uncompleted timesheet, but click on the one that you want to fill in. Now, I can't show you what happens next, but all you have to do is click Submit. You're not an hourly employee, you're a contract employee that's working a class, and so all you got to do is complete Submit for approval so that it goes to Dr. Chasson so that she can approve it. And that's all there is. Once you hit Submit for approval, it goes to Dr. Chasson, then it goes to our HR person, then it goes to the Southern University system. Now, you probably won't be paid into September. I think the first payment is October, and then November, and then December, because we're still processing many of your EPAFs and your other stuff, your onboarding stuff. So don't expect to be paid for September, but do expect to be paid for October, November, and December in 3 equal installments of the amount that you should be getting. For an undergraduate class, it's $2,000. For a graduate course, it's $2,400. Okay, I hope that helps. And if you have any questions, don't hesitate to call at 504-286-5052 or email me at kbrown@suno.edu. Good luck. Hope it all works.